Everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Kalia filling in for Dadrian. Shirley Ralph expresses gratitude after securing fourth Emmy nod. The Jamaican American Emmy Award winning actor has earned her fourth consecutive Emmy Award nomination, once again being recognized for her role as Barbara Howard in the hit comedy Abbott Elementary, created by Quinta Brunson. In a clip posted to her Instagram account, the actor shared her joy and gratitude with fans.
I just want to say thank you to everybody who had anything to do with voting for me, and my name is included in those 7 outstanding actresses, Best Supporting Actress in a Comedy, and wow, such great company. I'm very, very thankful once again, and I appreciate it.
Ralph was nominated in the category of Outstanding Supporting Actress in a Comedy Series, a category she won in 2022, the year of her first nomination. Delia Harris's Blood Lies exposes family secrets and betrayal in gripping new drama. Harris's latest play unpacks a gripping tale of secrets, sacrifice, and betrayal that threatens to tear a family apart. Starring Delia Harris, Earl Brown, and Maria Walters, the production delivers raw emotion and depth through standout performances. It also marks Maria Walters' return to the stage, known for her powerful portrayals. Speaking with E Prime, Walters shared her thoughts on playing Sonia.
It's a very charged, emotional role that Sonia has to navigate, dealing with her husband and other crises throughout her life, and new situations that she finds herself in that she also has to manage as best as she can.
Harris, who also directs and stars as Jennifer, expressed joy at the strong reception.
It's been a tough journey. Getting it together, it's just the 3 of us, but we went through our hills, our valleys, and our expectation was, will people come and enjoy it? And they more than love it. And so we are grateful, and we just hope more people will come and see it.
And with high demands from patrons about a part 2 for the production, Harris had this to say.
Come see part 1, and then I will tell you if there is going to be a part 2, right?
Set in a small New York apartment, the drama unfolds as a widow, her brother-in-law, and his wife come face to face with long-buried truths. Blood Lies is now playing at the Little Theatre in Kingston. And on the international scene, Beyonce's music stolen. According to the police, 2 laptops and hard drives with unreleased Beyonce music were stolen from her choreographer's car during the Cowboy Carter tour stop in Atlanta. The hard drives also contained watermarked music, footage plans for the show, and past and future set lists. The choreographer Christopher Grant rented the car and called 911 after he realized someone had broken into it in a parking garage on July 8. According to the police, cameras in the area captured the incident, and an arrest warrant has been issued for the unnamed suspect. And that's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Kalia. Thank you for watching.